Hello, or as we say in Wales, look at this duck.
Welsh.
I used that clip of a duck when I should have written something funny, and this is an example of diogi. Diog is lazy, and diogi is laziness, and that looks like this. There are a number of words in Welsh which sound to a non-speaker like an elf casting a spell. The perfect word for this is elw. Elw means profit, while elwa is gaining, earning, or profiting. Dwi'n mynd i'r gwaith pob dydd ac yn gobeithio elwa ar hyn dwi'n gwneud. And when we combine these two words, diog meaning lazy and elw meaning profit, we get diogelwch, which means to profit from laziness. And that looks like this. And here's where we find out that I am a lying boy. Now, Diogelwch does not mean that. We found out in many of my videos that there's a lot of Welsh words that can be broken down to their component parts. Diogelwch is not one of these. Diogelwch comes from diogel, which means safe or secure. So Diogelwch is safety or security. Now, I hope you don't feel too betrayed by what I've just done, but if you do get angry and come after me, then at least I've got somewhere safe where I can be diogel. And that looks like this. I'm going to be safe in here.
Have no fear, I will save you, for I am Shit Jaws. Fear not. Shit Jaws.
There are a few lessons I feel we've learned today. You can't trust everything you hear on the internet. You can't profit from being lazy, and everybody should have a friend who is an anthropomorphic pooper scooper.
Sure, shit, you should.
Oh shit, Jaws. I'm sorry. I'll stop.
Welsh. New videos every Tuesday and Friday. Subscribe if you don't want to be on the wrong end of my shit jaws. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jaws!